Hey there traders, today was a UK bank holiday, and so obviously we didn't have a London session today, but that doesn't mean that there wasn't something to be watching on the FX charts. I mean, if you look at the Euro FX chart right here on the 4-hour chart, you'll notice that we've had a pretty decent decline just recently. If you fib those moves from the top here, as you can see up there, to the bottom here, you'll notice that the 25%, and that's the one we use, we don't use the 23 very often, but the 25 that we use in our room was pegged beautifully, as you can see there, to the pip, and that lined up, the 25 lined up really beautifully with these previous areas of support here. And after pegging that, we saw a dark cloud cover. Once the dark cloud cover had been achieved, we had a opportunity to see a retest in that environment. If you missed that opportunity, later on you had a spinning top and a bearish engulfing there, or bearish confirmation that allowed you to get in. You'll notice that I'm in short at the top over here, and previously was long from down here. Took my profit up at the top there, got short on this area after seeing these dark cloud covers, spinning tops and so on, and as you can see right now I have scaled back in again. Now let's just go and have a quick look at that as to why. Now if you look at this one here, we have the 30-minute chart, and you'll notice that we've got a weekly central pivot point, right? That's the weekly central pivot point at 127.06 over there, very close to the psych level of 12700 as well. And after coming down nicely, you'll see my first entry up at the top there that I'm still in, and after coming down nicely, was in excess of 50 pips profit. We broke it. I had a spinning top, right, indecision, bullish confirmation, but then a bearish candle wiped that out. So this might have been a sign of a move up, but the bearish candle wiped it out. All right, and it went down there to wipe it out. You'll see there's my newest entry down there, the entry order on that ticket over there. You'll see that the entry wasn't at the top there though. The entry was down the bottom here. This is my entry short, just about there. All right, now you'll notice that it's below the 127 level. You might wonder why I got short as this was coming up. Well, we've got a bearish engulfing. If you fib that from the top to the bottom, you get your 50 or 61.8, and you get opportunities to get short at a better level off those fib levels. It's something we teach in the rooms on how to do and so on. So we're back below that level at the moment, and it looks, you know, pretty primed and set to make some continuation moves down, and so hopefully those two entries will start looking good. Should we break through the next pivot point and show some bearish signs again, I can scale back in again. So this was a half lot at the top, built up to a full lot down the bottom here. It'll be 1.5 down here, and keep on building as I start going into more and more profit. So that was what I've done today on the bank holiday. Pretty decent move on the bank holiday, to be very honest, and so, you know, I'm not too disappointed with what I'm seeing here. Hopefully it'll continue in this fashion, and we can start seeing a continuation down to our previously projected lows that we have based on the weekly chart that we've got in the live room that we watch regularly. We've got some pretty decent pips waiting to be racked up on that entry, or that target down to the downside there. So guys, if you want to come and join us, pop over to fab-tradershaven.com. Come join us in the live pip anchor sessions that we host every single day for the London and the New York Opens. We'd love to see you there. Cheers.